All right, forgive me for the clickbait, guys. Seriously, there's no 90% accurate way to predict if a trend will keep going. But what we do have are statistically backed methods that can massively increase your chances when trading with the trend. Let's dive in. Here's what messes most people up. They see a big move, get hyped, and jump in. And boom, the market reverses in their face. Huh? Sound familiar? That's because strong trends don't just go forever. Big reversals often happen right after strong impulses. So instead of guessing or chasing, we slow down and ask 3 things. What's the bigger picture? What pattern is forming? And what's volatility right now? Let's break that down. First, zoom out and look at the bigger time frame. If you're trading on the 1-minute chart, flip over to the 10 or 15-minute. That'll show you the real trend, because sometimes what looks like a trend on the 1-minute is just a sideways mess on the bigger picture. If price is bouncing between support and resistance, that's not a trend. It's a range, a trap, and you'll keep getting whipsawed if you try to trend trade it. But if the structure is clean, higher highs, higher lows, now we're talking. That's where you want to wait for a pullback. Then look to ride the next wave. That's where the edge is. During that pullback, that's when patterns form. Things like flags, triangles, consolidations. These are just pauses. And if price breaks out of the pattern in the same direction as the trend, that's your green light. It's not magic. It's just structure confirming your idea. And when structure lines up with the trend, you're not guessing anymore. I want to start making money online, but I don't know where to start. What if I lose my money? I hear this all the time. Look, trading isn't some magic button to get rich overnight. But if you want to try it the right way, without wasting money or months figuring things out, here's how. I trade on Quotex, and right now, you can copy my trades for free while learning in real time. No upfront fees. I'll get a commission from the platform instead. That means you can test everything on a demo, see how it works, and decide for yourself without spending $1. It takes minutes. You get the currency pair announcement. Open it on the platform. Then you get the signal. Place the trade, and that's it. Will this make you a millionaire tomorrow? Of course no. But it will get you started, you'll see how it works, and see your first profit without risk. This is the easiest way to step into trading. Just check it out and see if it's for you. Click the link, get set up, and let's go. Now here's what most people overlook: volatility. It tells you if the market has energy or not. If candles are small and slow, that means the market's chillin', gathering energy. But if candles start stretching, volume picks up. That's momentum. So what do I look for? Simple. If price breaks out of a pattern with a big strong candle, I'm in. That's real momentum. If the breakout is weak, tiny candles, no juice, I skip it. Because weak breakouts usually fail. Alright, so here's the full picture. Strong trend on the higher time frame. Clean pullback that forms a pattern. Volatility dies down during the pullback. Then we get a strong breakout candle. That's a quality setup. And when I trade those, my win rate's around 75%. Let me show you exactly how this played out. We had a strong downtrend. Then price formed a triangle, right above support. Classic consolidation. MACD was fading, lines crossed down, histogram was flat, volatility was low, candles were small, no energy yet. Then, boom, breakout, big red candle, cracked through support. I took a 15-minute putt. Why 15 minutes? Because that triangle had potential for a bigger move. And the first impulse gave me the target, around 15 candles worth. By the way, this same support level had a fake breakout earlier, but back then, volatility was weak, and price bounced right back. This time, volatility backed it up, and the move was real. So here's the deal. Trends don't just magically keep going. They continue when the market builds pressure, pulls back, compresses, and then releases with energy. That's the cycle. Your job is to spot it, not guess it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.